Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video I'm going to be making it very short and simple. So on this video I'll be teaching you how you can be able to spot a coin on Binance before the coin actually starts pumping. So every single time that you actually log into your Binance account, you will go to the top gainers and you see that a whole lot of coin has actually pumped so much, like 50%, 30%, 100% and above, and you'll be like, how do this coin actually do this? I mean, how do people actually spot this coin and buy it before it actually starts pumping and rising in price? So worry no more. On this video I'll be revealing to you guys the simple strategy that you can actually apply, and with this strategy you can be able to spot a coin before it actually starts pumping on Binance. So this is not a financial advice. Do well to do your own research before you proceed with anything that I'm going to be saying on this video. Please, if you like this type of content, please do well to give me a subscribe to my channel. It actually means the whole world to me. And also do not forget to like this video and also tell me what you think on the comment section of this video, and I'll be there to reply you as soon as possible. So without wasting time, let's now dive in and let me teach you how you can be able to spot a coin before it actually starts pumping massively on Binance. Right now, let's go. Alright guys, so right here I am on my Binance app right now. So without wasting time, I'll be rushing everything so that I can cover up things really quickly before this video takes so much time. Alright, so right now when you go to your top gainers on your Binance, you can see that there are a lot of coins right here are pumping really massively, ranging from 11% to 23%. These coins are not really pumping, but nevertheless I'll be teaching you how you can be able to spot this coin before they actually get to these top gainers on Binance. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply get yourself a Binance account and fund it for trading. So the next thing is simply go to your browser and you have to search in CoinGecko.com. This is it right here. So you have to click on the first one, which is www.coingecko.com. So you have to click on it. So this is going to be opening up the CoinGecko terminal for you. And over here, I believe you know what this CoinGecko is. CoinGecko is just one of the coin aggregators. Over here on CoinGecko, you can make research and find out some information about some crypto coin of your choice. So the first thing you need to do when you get to CoinGecko.com is to simply click right here on the search bar. You have to type in Binance like this. So once you just type in Binance, the next thing that you actually need to do is to simply scroll down until you get to exchanges right here. So over here guys, on the exchange you have to click on it, Binance. So this is going to be taking you to the dashboard where all information as far as Binance is concerned is being shown. So over here guys, you can see this is the 24 hours trading volume of Binance right here. You can see this is about $25 billion traded on Binance for the last 24 hours. So over here guys, without wasting time, I will be going straight to the point. But just a piece of information that you need to have off head is that there are actually a total of 386 coin on Binance, and also 1,255 pairs of coin on Binance. What you need to do from here is so simple. For you to be able to detect a coin that is about to pump on Binance is so simple. You have to check ranging from number 1 to number 40. All right, ranging from number 1 to number 40, you need to discover the coin that you are not familiar with. But before you go ahead to do that, you need to head back to your Binance app right here. Okay, over here on your Binance, you need to take note of all these ones that are already pumping. Anyone that is already pumping massively like this shouldn't be put into consideration, as they haven't pumped much. For example, this one right here, GTO, which has just pumped only 11%, or this one right here, whatever. So right now let's go back to my CoinGecko. Over here on CoinGecko, what you need to do is simply search between all these coins right here, ranging from number 1 to number 40, the coin that you are not familiar with. For example, let's start right now. When I keep on scrolling, you will see there are a list of coins right now, but this Nero right here, we are not really familiar with it, so we have to click on it right now. So but when you click on it, you can see that Nero has actually pumped like 7.6%. The next thing you actually need to take in place for you to detect if Nero is actually the next coin to pump on Binance is for you to simply come over here. You click on 3 months. Okay, let's check its performance 3 months ago. So on 3 months ago, you can see that this coin has been doing really well. So we have to go to max. So over here on max, this is where we draw the conclusion. So over here on max, you can see that this coin is actually at its all-time high, and because this coin is already at its all-time high. We are not going for this, so we have to go back right now and search for another coin that we are not familiar with. Solana, we are familiar with it. Sui, we are familiar with it. Doge with Heart, we are familiar with it, but let's check it right now because it is not too popular. So when I click on Doge with Heart, you can see that it's only pumped. This is not actually a pump, it has gone down for like 3.3%. so we go to this performance 3 months ago. You can as well use 1 month ago depending. So you can see 3 months ago this coin is doing really well, so we go to max. Okay, so over here on Mars, you can see that this coin has actually pumped so well, but it has actually retraced so well. So over here, guys, you can see that this coin has actually retraced, though it is still at its all-time high. It is around this is $2.36 right here. So we are not really going for this, though this is a good catch in a way, but this coin has already pumped so massively, and because of this reason we are not going for it. But you can still give it a try. But for me, I'm not going to be taking it if I'm the one to trade it. So right now, this one right here, attaining, it is already there on Binance, already pumping. This cow protocol, we are not familiar with it. When I click on it, let me check out something right here. On cow protocol, you can see that this coin only pumped 4.7%. So when I scroll down again, I will go to 3 months performance. So over here for the past 3 months, wow, you can see that this coin has already done well, so you don't need to do anything again. This is not a good catch because this coin has already pumped so massively. Though when you check out what's happening here right now, if you are very familiar with crypto, you can see that this is about to form a cup and handle form right here, meaning that this coin could literally at least perform so well to come into this part. But you can see that for the past couple of months or weeks, this coin has actually done really well. So this is not actually a good catch, because if you are trying to jump into this right now, you will likely get burnt, because it is expected that the price of this coin will retrace so well because it has already pumped already. Had it been that you came right here a couple of days, for example, when the coin is still around this height right here, you could have caught this move, but we were not making this video earlier and you are not seeing it earlier as well. So this coin has already pumped, so you have to wait for it to retrace at least right here before you can then dollar cost average in. Okay, before you can, you know what dollar cost average is, right? So right now, let's now proceed. Let me check out another coin. So over here we have Radium. Radium is an old and popular coin. So Book of Meme, this is a meme coin, you can go for it, but let's check out Book of Meme. Over here, guys, on the Book of Meme, you can see this coin only pumped for 1.5%. So we go to max. I don't have time to waste right here. So over here, guys, on the max, you can see that this coin has actually done well a little bit. You can see it has already made its all-time high just around March. This coin has already retraced, so this is also a good catch. Let me check the 3 months ago performance. So over here, guys, on the 3 months ago, you can see that literally on the 8th of October, this coin has already pumped so massively. So for the past more months, this coin has made its monthly all-time high right here on the 15th of October. So this is not really a good catch because this coin could literally drop back because it has already pumped. So right now, let's scroll down again. Let's see if you can get a good catch right here. So mark all these coins that I'm mentioning right here because you could see them on Binance top gainers anytime soon. Okay, so right now we are already at 40. Are we really gonna get what we are looking for? So this is a Worldcoin. Of course, the Worldcoin is a popular coin, but it is not too popular. Okay, so over here, guys, you can see Worldcoin hasn't pumped yet, but it has managed to make it to the 40th list of Binance coin, all right, latest pays. Okay, so what you need to do right now is simply, you can see that this is red, so this is a good sign. So let me check out the 3 months performance. So over here on the 3 months performance, you can see that this coin has not really done well. You can see over here the major movement that it has made, ranging from this spot right here. When it was here, the price was only 1.3%, but when you trace it back up right here, the price is only about 2.3%, meaning just $1 increase. So this coin has not really made its major move. So you can still support yours with some fundamental analysis. This will help. So right now, this is actually a very good catch. For example, right now, you can see that for over here, this coin has actually made a good move from here to this point, and it has dropped down and it has made its all-time high right here. Remember that I am on the mask. This means that this is it is showing the the maximum performance of this coin. So because you can see that it has dropped so massively, and it has dropped, it is now on this spot very, very low. So right now, let me show you guys another thing. So because this coin right now, currently this is where the price is, it is expected that the price of this coin will at least get till this level before it will start dropping back, before it will then take its major move till this part right here. Okay, so this is actually a very good catch. I mark this coin right now. This is Worldcoin. So before the end of 1 month or just a couple of weeks, you are really going to be seeing this coin on the top gainers on Binance. So right now, this is how you actually found out a coin that is going to be pumping next on Binance. For example, this is my very good catch right here, and this is Worldcoin. I'm expecting Worldcoin to pop so massively. For example, from this current price of 1.9 to at least this price of 2.9 right here, and also to the price of around $5. All right, so you should go ahead and use this method to actually determine the next coin that will pump on Binance. All right, so there's actually another thing involved, and that thing is how you can actually get a very good entry. You know, you cannot just find out a coin and then jump in. No, you will get burnt. So for you to find out a good entry, there's actually a technical analysis that you actually need to apply to this. But before you can actually be able to apply the technical analysis, you need someone to teach you how you can be able to do it already, or else you already know how to do technical analysis. All right, so this is a piece of information that I'm going to be sharing on this video. Please, if you want me to make a video about the technical analysis part of this strategy, you should simply let me know on the comment section, and I will make a video that actually explains how you can be able to jump in when you actually found a good coin that is going to pump on Binance. Thank you guys for watching this video. I believe you got a value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Peace out. Do have a lovely day. I will update you guys, and I will give you guys more information that's going to be helping you succeed in this crypto space. Please do not forget to click on the video description of this video to join us on Telegram. It actually means the whole world to us. Peace out, and I will talk to you guys so soon.